Delta 978, contact departure.
Delta 978, switch departure.
Frontier Flight 1966, the wind is 020 at 5, runway 1 right, full length, clear for takeoff.
1 right, cleared for takeoff, Frontier 1966.
November 738 Kilo, runway 1 right at Bravo, line wait.
1 right at Bravo, line up and wait, 738 Kilo.
Terra 808 Las Vegas Tower, yep.
Over.
Thank you, Harry 808. Just hold position there for a minute. You can expect runway 1 right, full length.
I will expect 1 right. Here, right, wait.
Frontier Flight 1966, contact departure.
Good day, Frontier 1966.
Tower, exit jet 885, visual 01 left.
Terra 808, cross runway 1 left at Bravo, turn right on Echo.
All right, cross 1 left at Bravo, right on Echo here, 808.
Number 738 Kilo, the wind is 020 at 5, runway 1 right at Bravo, clear for takeoff.
1 right at Bravo, clear for takeoff, 738 Kilo.
207 Las Vegas Tower, traffic departs the intersection downfield, runway 1 right, full length, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 1 right, Mach 207.
Delta 1696, turn right at the high-speed mic, hold short of runway 1 right.
Right at Mike, short of 1 right for Delta 1696.
Set jet 885 Las Vegas Tower, the wind 020 at 5, number 2, runway 1 left, clear to land.
Number 2, 1 left, clear to land, exit jet 885.
Terra 808, cross runway 26 right, taxi 2, runway 1 right.
Cross 26 right to 1 right here, 808.
Delta 1696, traffic is holding in position, cross runway 1 right at Mike, turn right on Delta, contact ground point 1.
Cross run right on 1 right on Mike and Delta, and then point 1 for Delta 1696.
November 738 Kilo, contact departure.
Over to departure, thanks for your help today, 3 Kilo.
Cheers. Moxie 207, the wind is 010 at 5, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway 1 right, clear for takeoff, Mach 207.
Moxie 117, Las Vegas Tower, runway 1 right, line up and wait.
1 right, line up and wait, Moxie 117.
Terra 80, it's going to be a couple minutes here. We got the in-trail on your departure here.
No worries.
Tower, Big Sharp 317, inbound to the visual 1 left, 170 knots or less.
Big Stripe 317, Las Vegas Tower, the wind is 020 at 4. Your number 2, runway 1 left, clear to land.
Number 2, runway 1 left, clear to land, Big Sharp 317.
Skywest 4078, traffic is holding in position, cross runway 1 right at Whiskey, contact ground point 1. Sorry, it's Sierra.
Say again for Skywest 4078.
Skywest 4078, cross runway 1 right at Sierra, contact ground point 1, traffic's in position.
All right, cross 1 right at Sierra, and we'll go to ground Skywest 4078.
Moxie 207, contact departure.
Departure Mach 207.
Moxie 117, the wind is 020 at 4, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
1 right, cleared for takeoff, Moxie 117.
Frontier Flight 1469, Las Vegas Tower, runway 1 right, line up and wait.
Line up, wait, 1 right, Frontier 1469.
Janet 47, Las Vegas Tower, you up?
Janet 47's here.
Janet 47. Cross runway 1 left at Bravo, taxi to runway 1 right at Bravo.
All right, 1047, we'll cross 1 left to Bravo. Taxi to 1 right, Bravo.
Frontier Flight 1469, traffic ahead is eastbound, no factor. The wind is calm, runway 1 right, full length, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 1 right, Frontier 1469.
ExitJet 885, turn left at Sierra, contact ground point 9er.
0.9, ExitJet 885, yeah.
Moxie 117, contact departure.
To departure, good day, Moxie 117.
Janet 47, the wind is calm, runway 1 right at Bravo, clear for takeoff.
All right, 1047, 1 right, Bravo, clear takeoff.
Southwest 4198, Las Vegas Tower, be in minute position for traffic, runway 1 right, full length, line up and wait.